people, today I'm gonna be giving you a room tour. So I'm dizzy. It should also be noted that it's like 9 p.m. and I'm usually asleep by this time, so I feel delirious. Anyways, a few months ago I gave you guys a room tour, and needless to say, it was embarrassing. My room was a mess, my bed frame was held up by bricks. I was living in the slums. But since then, we've basically revamped the entire room, redecorated. There's an actual theme now. It's not just random stuff that was everywhere, and I want to show y'all what it looks like. Let's begin. So we still have the busted up door. We have not changed the door yet. I've already explained my brother's schizophrenia, bipolarism, destruction, yada yada yada. Anyways, you enter the room. See my stained carpet, ignore that. First thing, I now have a place to put all my sweaters. As you guys saw before, my closet was full and I didn't have any room to put my clothes, so I had to get creative. I got this 5-tier bookshelf from Walmart, and it's white and it matches the rest of my room, and now I have a place to put like my big sweaters, which take up a lot of space. So now they're all in one area. The only thing I want to do now is like color coordinate them, but for now it's fine. On the top you have this F. My name is Favour, so obviously I have to get an F. It says, let's talk about how fabulous I am. There was a time when like I was really insecure, and eventually I just started giving myself positive affirmations and they began to stick. So now I think I'm a bad bitch, I think I'm a good person, I think I'm a great person. Next to that, you got my wig. I don't even wear wigs, I just think this is kind of like a funny meme to have, so she stays up there. I call her Josephine. At the bottom are all my tools. Honestly, I should keep these in the garage, but I know my mom will steal them, use them, and then I won't be able to find what I need whenever I need it, so I just keep it in my room, all down here. If you come over to the next shelf, you have my sand rock. I wanted real succulents, but I had to settle for fake marble ones because the only plant that I've ever planted that stayed alive is a tree. I've planted other things, little flower bushes, little, just little things, and they die. I had a real succulent and it died. How? So I just had to settle for fake ones. They're still kind of cute, and I think they do their job. I'm not dirty, I'm not messy, I'm just uniquely organized. Uniquely organized. I know where everything's at, it has a place, it's just the places that it belongs are very close together. Above my shelf, you have these fake plants as well. My friend Juan actually helped me organize this. He said you should always decorate with like odd numbers and threes to keep it balanced. So that's why I have my 3 plants and my mirror that I got from, what's it called? That really expensive furniture store that everybody shops at. It's really big. I'll put the name on the screen somewhere. I got this bear in Canada whenever I first visited, and this was my first ever bottle of alcohol that I bought legally, and I got it in London. I don't know if it's weird that I keep it. Is it weird that I keep my first bottle of alcohol? On the second shelf, you have a row of all my books. In middle school and high school, I was like a huge fanatic for vampires, sci-fi, creatures, powers, all that kind of stuff. I really liked dark nonfiction, and I still really enjoy it. I haven't read in like 4 years, but hopefully one day I'll get back into it. But the Twilight series, amazing. Stephanie Meyer.
Team Edward.
So yes, you had the sweater shelf, you had the bookshelf, you have my backpack. It's a backpack. Supreme. Woo, whatever. Next over you have this. Another coat rack. As I said, I didn't have any more room in my closet, so it was essential for me to buy this. That being said, it was like 30 bucks at Walmart. Don't buy a 30-buck coat rack. I'll show you why. Look at this. Standing up straight? No. Oh, it's working now. Okay, never mind. You guys saw the video of me painting this on the wall. If you haven't, I'll link it on the screen right now. And it's just a lady with one continuous line. I actually have a tattoo of something similar to this. I just really like this kind of art, and yeah. Next over you have a calendar. As you guys know, on the reaction channel, I upload like every single day, multiple times a day. And I was even getting to a point where I was getting like sponsored, promoted videos. So it was getting hard to like balance and keep track of what videos were supposed to go up on what day. So I bought this to kind of help me keep track. I look really bad. I bought this to keep track of that, and I don't really use it anymore, honestly. You can see, bitch, it's March. Why does it still say February? Eventually I'll get back to using it, but for now I think I'm okay. Okay, down here is a mess. I'm gonna organize it after the video.
The lies! The lies!
This is my snack rack. As you guys know, I keep all my snacks in my room so no one eats them. The snacks should be on the shelf, but they've migrated to the corner. Next, we have my favorite space. Ignore the dirtiness of the wall. Whatever that is, a flower painting, you have a lady from Africa, and then my glorious bed. My sister got me this bed for my birthday. I don't know if you guys remember the bed I had in the last room tour, but this is a major upgrade. Not only does it like act as a chair, like I could sit on it, hold on. I can sit on it like a couch. I could lay on it like this. I can sit on it like this. I could actually lay down fully. That's not even the best part. It also comes with 3 drawers that give me even more space. But if I wanted to make it a full bed instead of a twin, all I have to do, oh my god, can I do this? All I have to do is pull this out. Okay, it's actually harder than I expected, but you can pull this entire bottom row out and it will become like an entire queen bed. So it will go from a twin to a full queen. But being that I sleep alone, I don't need a full-size queen bed. It just takes up space. I like having all this extra room to like walk around in. Honestly, that's just more storage for my clothes, t-shirts, running shorts. I keep my intimates in the drawers under the bed. Next to that, we have my PC. My gaming setup. I used to do like Roblox and stuff on this channel, but y'all said you didn't like my gaming videos. So now I spent like $1,500 on a setup for nothing. So that's great. Above that though, you have this cute little cloud mirror thingy, and I put a vinyl record. If you have seen the reaction channel, I just got done filming a reaction actually. So you guys know that I have a bunch of vinyl records on my wall for my background. It should be noted that I don't even have a record player. I just like the design of LPs. So call me a poser. Here is a Nintendo 64 that I plan to set up at some point, and a pile of clothes that need to be tailored. Next to that, you have, I don't even know what you would call this, a mini vanity. It's just all my makeup, hair stuff, jewelry, that kind of stuff. This is a bag of lipsticks that I got. I wanted to try out new lip colors. Over here are my tampons. Here are my hats. I needed like a hat rack or something. I have that one, and then another one in the closet. I'll get into more detail when we go over there. I don't really have a proper place to put my hats yet. Here is a vintage mirror that I got. I think this was like $85. I got it at like a thrift store, and I really like the design of it, so I got it. Next to that is my guitar. I don't know how to play guitar. In fact, this only has 2 strings. Enter the closet. I need to hang these clothes up, ignore them. I have my shoe rack. I have my luggage for whenever I travel. And then a bunch of different clothes. I keep my jeans over there. My shoes that I don't really wear right there. My shoe boxes. These are the shoes that I wear on the day-to-day over here. I need to get more Jordan ones, honestly. I don't know if you can tell on the camera, but the white here compared to the white there, like there's a slight difference. Those are really dirty. Over there are my bags. Over here like my, I guess you could call them winter clothes. And then right here are more hats, scarves, belts, and all that. I'm loving the way it's coming. I'm thinking of making that entire wall, instead of painting it like I want to do for the rest of the room, I might just make this wall specifically wallpaper, like maybe a black and white wallpaper of marble, and then the rest of it maybe like olive green. I'm really into earth tones right now. And being that I'm like 22, 23, one of the two, I don't know. I feel like I need to have a more mature looking bedroom. You know, I'm an adult, I'm a young adult, so I need to be more sophisticated. And I feel like olive green gives that vibe. Y'all let me know your thoughts down below. Oh, I didn't show you the rug. It's really stained. I'm gonna replace it at some point because it doesn't really match the rest of the room. Anyways, bye!